Hi, my name is Nahi Sarwar. I'm a web analytics expert. I provide web analytics and digital marketing services for my client. I love to share my experience about web analytics, digital marketing, and digital skill in this channel. So learn more to subscribe my channel. So let's start our topics today.
Hi, in this video, we'll learn how to connect your Google Tag Manager with your website. And we'll learn how to put the GTM code in your website header. This is our Google Tag Manager. First, you have to create a Google Tag Manager and click the GTM code. You can see the Google Tag Manager give two code. One is header code, one is body code. So we copy this code and we put this code this website head section. So how do we do it? We don't use any plugin. So first you have to wear website admin panel. This is my WordPress website. So we come to my website CMS panel and you can see there appearance. Click here and you click to theme file editor. Click here. When you click theme file editor, you come to this page. You can see, you can find out the header.php. Click here. You just come to Google Tag Manager and go to GTM and copy this GTM code, head code, and come to again. You can see our head section, website head section, start here and finish here. So we just we put this code in the head section. So just put the Google Tag Manager code and upload file. Now again you come to Google Tag Manager and copy the footer code. Copy this code and come to our website and you can see there is another footer. You find out the footer.php. Click here. You can find out the body. Put the code in the body section. So paste this code in under the body section. Here the finish the body code and so you paste the code in the body section. Copy this code and upload this file. Our Google Tag Manager header and footer code is already put on our website header and footer section. So now we test. Is it working? So you come to Google Tag Manager and click to preview mode. Give your website link and connect. You can see our Google Tag Manager is connected. That means the Google Tag Manager and website is now connected. You come to this tag assistant, you continue and you can see Google Tag is founded. That means your Google Tag Manager is connected with your website. We don't use any plugin. So sometimes we don't use plugin for many purpose. So you can use this way. But if you need a data layer or tracking e-commerce, need e-commerce tracking, so you can use plugin. If you need any kind of assistance about tracking, web analytics, Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager and server-side tracking, you can contact with me. I working for many clients around the world to helping web analytics services. So see you in next video and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.